yes, Alvin was a chipmunk. Well, David, you started off the show with a little bit of magic with the number 3, but you're taking 3 into the sporting arena now.
I am, and it's not a three-legged race, but it's actually the term hat-trick, which is in cricket, but many other sports. And I seem to recall, in fact, that you did accomplish a hat-trick. Is that right?
Look, I may have confessed that, but I was only 10 years old at the time. It was my one piece of sporting prowess. I got 3 wickets in a row.
That's still very impressive. I've never achieved, unless you count air hockey as being a sport, I've never had a hat-trick of any kind. But where does hat-trick come from? And back in the 1870s, when the phrase emerged, it was actually a hat that was given to the successful bowler, and the hat was, and I understand the hat was not a bowler, but in fact a cap, which is why we have caps in cricket. And the cap was passed around the crowd and the club members, and they all pitched in.
So a hat trick could actually be a little bit lucrative.
It could be lucrative. And in fact, it's a popular phrase now in the US because of the idea of conjuring with a hat, although three-peat is usually the phrase that you hear in the US. But I'm starting to think that, in fact, if you didn't win a prize, you should, in fact, contact your junior club and say, "Oi, where's my hat?"
Good one, David. Thank you. Let's have a look at our scores, and they are very close indeed. Jenny's on 11. Andre just 1 point ahead on 12. And we're moving on to our next letters with Jenny. You to choose this time.
Could I please have a consonant, Lily?
Thanks, Jenny. T.
And another one?
C.
And one more, please.
N.
And now vowel.
U.
And another vowel.
A.
And one more, please.
I.
Now consonant.
S.
And another one.
N.
And a vowel, please.
And lastly, I.
And I'll start the clock. Jenny, how many did you come up with this time?
I got a 5, Richard.
5, Andre?
5 as well.
5 as well. Let's start there.
Saint.
And yours?
I got saint as well.
If you could just confer and confirm that you both got the same thing. Lots of very good saintly behaviour.
I can canonise you both with 5 points. And in fact, amazingly, there's the word here, stanic, S-T-A-N-N-I-C, which is the word that I found for 7. It relates to tin, which is why we have SN, and could also be translated, I suppose, as tinny, which is no relation to that a marvellous hat-trick accomplishment in your under 10s.
Thank you very much. Well, good stuff for both Andre and Jenny. 5 points each. Let's keep the letters coming. Andre.
I'll start with a consonant, thanks.
Thanks, Andre. F.
And another consonant.
W.
And one more.
R.
I'll have a vowel, thanks.
E.
And another vowel.
A.
And a consonant.
N.
And another consonant, thanks.
T.
And a vowel.
O.
And a consonant, please.
And lastly, D.
30 seconds. How did the letters treat you that time, Andre?
I got a 6.
6, Jenny?
I got a 7, Richard.
7, sounds good, but let's go with the 6 first, please.
Wanted.
Wanted, and your 7?
I got fronted.
They sound good, David.
Well, you've turned up, Jenny, and you're doing very well. You've fronted and you've scored 7. Fantastic work. I found frowned And was curious to notice that wafer was in the first 5 after a successful Saints in the last round.
Well noticed, but well scored for Jenny. 7 points in that round. Numbers number 2 coming up next. Jenny, what's your combination?
Could I please have 3 large numbers and 3 small ones, Lily?
Thanks, Jenny. 3 large and 3 small. And our numbers are 9, 10, 7, and 3 large, 50, 75, and 100. The target to reach is 370.
Thanks, Lily. Away we go. Well, Jenny, I have a feeling that was quite a tough one. How did you go?
I got 366.
66, so 4 off. What about you, Andre?
368.
Just 2 closer, so well done. Take us through your approach, please.
I did 50 times 9 equals 450.
50 by 9 is 450.
Minus 75
Minus
is 375.
375.
Minus a 7 is 368.
Minus the 7. 368.
Very nice indeed. Only 2 away from the target. But this did look like a bit of a difficult one to get there, Lily. Did you manage it?
Yeah, Richard, it wasn't immediately obvious, but I'll talk you through it. Now, 9 by 7 is 63. Now, 100 minus 63 is 337 by the 10 is 370.
Well, not that difficult at all, really. Well done to Lily and well done to Andre, who scored 7 points. It means we're heading for another break. You're heading for another word mix, and this time it's right ape. And the clue, the central element when using a pencil. See you after this.